Hey guys, today I will be telling you about this app called CoWi-Fi. CoWi-Fi connects you to all the COVID-19 resources around you. Using CoWi-Fi is very easy. When you go on this app, it will ask you for your contact information, after which it will send you an OTP. On putting in the OTP, it will take you to a form where it will ask you for your name and location. Once you have filled in all that information, it will take you to the home page. As you can see, the name is written on the top. On this app, you can be two things, either a supplier or a requester. To do anything, first you have to click on Add Product. When you click on Add Product, it will take you to a page like this. As you can see, there are a lot of resources over here. Now suppose I want to be a supplier of oxygen. I just have to click on the drop down over here and click on Provider. If you want, you can add the description on the top and click on Update in the bottom. Now, as you can see, oxygen here is labeled in green. Labeled in green means that I am a supplier. If it is labeled in red, it means that I want it. I'm a requester. As you can see, there's a search radius over here which goes up to 3000 kilometers. Down below, it will show all the people who are requesting for oxygen within that radius. If you click on the person, it will show you the name, the contact information, and the message that they have intended for any of the suppliers. If you don't want to be a supplier and you want to be a requester, you have to go to Add Product and click on Requester instead of Provider. You can add the description and click on Update. As you can see over here, the label is red, and when you increase the search radius, it will show you all the people who are supplying oxygen over here. If you click, you can get the contact information and the message if they have intended anything for you. Aside from this, you can sync, or if you click on the My Contacts option, you have the option of syncing your contacts to the app, which you can opt for when you aren't in an emergency situation. This is the button over here that will help you sync all your contacts. Contact syncing may take a while, so be patient. If you click on Settings, you can update the location either manually or via GPS. Over here, you can put in the name and the city name to change your information, or you can edit your current location to search by nearby users using GPS. You can sign out of your account and you can use the help option to outline how you can use the app, and you can reach out to the email address listed down below over here for further assistance. The app thus makes it very easy and quick to access resources by establishing direct contact between the providers and the requesters.